Mercy back here again with another video. Now they say not all heroes wear capes. We understand that. I've got a new one. Not all villains has a gun or a knife. I'm going to show you to this guy, Jamie Oliver, Skadum. Okay, look. When this guy was on his BBC show cooking leaves and a bit of chicken and tuna and sweet corn and say it's a food, I said that's food, me, I could just lick that up, but he said that's one portion. We didn't disturb him. It was on BBC. Doing his cooking, we didn't disturb him. We left him. They said, you know what? You cook your lettuce, you cook your rabbit food, you cook a little bit of one portion of chicken. You enjoy that. That's your protein. 10 grams. Well done. Okay. But then he wanted to travel the seas. Okay. And he released. This guy is what you call a war criminal. Okay, a war criminal. I'll show you what he produced. Boom. Read it. He says, Jamie Oliver, punchy. My G, punchy. Okay, Anthony Joshua, punchy. Punchy. Okay, jerk rice. So you're telling me Mr. Jamie Oliver, BBC, want to travel all the way to the Caribbean, okay, and make punchy jerk rice? Do you know how insultive that is? Not saying that because he's white or anything like that. No, he's white. But how dare you? Okay, you wear this thing, punchy jerk rice. Jamie with his stupid pose in the top corner. Seriously good and good with chicken wings. Okay, that's the front. I'm going to take it to the back now. Okay, I want to show you what the background, what the back says. Okay, this is the back. It says ready to eat in just 1 minute. Excuse me, are you telling me that jerk rice? Even jerk rice. Who made... Brother, I don't know if this is just me. I've heard of jerk rice. Jerk rice. There's jerk chicken. There's another kind of jerk. And then there's jerk, the boys that are like annoying. Jerk rice. Excuse me, what's that? Stick to your shepherd's pie, your meat's pie, corn on the cob, and stick to that. One must want punchy jerk rice. Okay, look, it says ready to eat in just 1 minute. So you're telling me jerk rice that takes people probably 30 minutes to even an hour to cook, you can be done in 1 minute? Jerk rice. Punchy jerk rice. No, very soon. He tried to conquer the Caribbeans. The Caribbeans. Now he'll probably come into Africa and say, I've got jollof. I've got my moi moi. Or my moi. Like, and the funny thing is, okay, that this actually went to the news and he's actually been accused of cultural appropriation. So yes, he's been caught. Hallelujah. Like, who does he think he is, brother? Stick to your sugar tax laws and you want to come to the Caribbean. Are you mad? Punchy jerk rice. Jerk rice. Nigga. Okay, look, this one BBC. Jamie Oliver's jerk rice accused of cultural appropriation. Look at him. You can't handle jerk rice. You look like a flipping rice bag head. Anyway, Jamie Oliver has been accused of cultural appropriation for calling a new product punchy jerk rice. Punchy. Punchy. Flip's sake, man. It's just go to America, man. You stupid head. Decision to label microwavable jerk. Since when was jerk rice microwavable? Anyway, the decision to label the microwavable rice jerk has been criticized because the product doesn't contain many ingredients traditionally used in the Jamaican jerk marinade. And this is what the MP said. I'm just wondering, do you know what Jamaican jerk actually is? It's like, how can you just say, well, it has some meat in it, it has some rice in it, I put some seasoning in it, yeah, jerk rice, Jamaicans. Like, this is not how you get into the Black Squad. This is not how you get Big Batty Tanisha. No. Like that. Yeah, if I cook jerk rice, you know, and it's punchy as well, I'll probably get a Jamaican girl to twerk on me. Yes. 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 If I make jerk rice and I go carnival next week Monday, Nottingham, yes, if I go there, I will get a wine from Big Batty Tanisha. Yes. This is not how you get into the Black Squad. Just ask Oliver Jack from flipping Love Island. But yeah, I'm happy that's made it into the news because it was just too much. Like, like, come on, like, man said jerk rice. What is jerk rice even? Jerk rice, brother. Jerk rice, huh? Can't be just combining words like that. Is it jerk rice? This is jerk mince pie. This is jerk water. This is jerk salad. No, stick to your BBC one. It's not a BBC one. It's BBC W or something like that. Stick there. Come to Jamaica. Get out of here, man. Get out of here. Stick to your potato and meat salad, brother. Anyway, that's back in the video. But what is jerk rice? Jerk rice. It's just, you know what he's doing? He's not even jerk rice. He's just putting shepherd's pie and rice. This is the not even punchy, the swingy shepherd's pie rice. Stay there, you know. And I messed back in the video. This guy, jerk rice. Peace, love, and jerk rice. Right, call your son that, you waste man. Peace, love, and yeah.